Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hassan Hussein. This is going to be the first video we're going to make to explain the reason why we have decided to launch this channel. As we said in the written version, we said that the objectives that we have in mind are two in numbers. The first one is that we decided to launch this channel to help learners understand the English language. What do we mean by that? With this channel, we are going to teach how the English language is used. We're going to talk about grammar, vocabulary, functions, etc. All these points are going to be detailed. We're going to use strategies, tips to understand how to use the grammatical structure, vocabulary, function in order to convey meaning. The reason why we decided to use this as a first objective, and this is the broader objective as we said it in the written version, is that grown up in an environment where English is not spoken, I understand that it is not easy for people to speak English. For example, here in our case, we are in a francophone environment, that means Niger. In Niger, we do not speak English every day. People are using French as an official language. So as we know that Niger was colonized by France, so we are using the French language to convey meaning for our administration, our conversation, everything we use it in French. Then with globalization, we know that English, the most spoken language, the most important language, is required. Everybody needs English. So here in our context, or let's say globally, people have problems in learning English. They do not understand how to structure sentences. They do not know which are the appropriate vocabulary words that are required for example, if you are an academician, if you are a medical doctor, if you are a teacher, if you are a trader. So all this stuff, we have to know which vocabulary we need to use. For this reason, we decide to launch this channel and decide to teach people how to understand, how to use the English language as they want. This is the objective. So throughout the hours that will follow, we are going to make videos on how to use grammar. So we're going to present lessons on grammar. We're going to talk about vocabularies, function, readings. So we're going to bring reading tests. We're going to adjust to use them in the context that the learners are learning. So we're going to contextualize. This is the first objective. The second objective is in relation to specific. It is specific. It is specialized. It is for those who are academicians who would like to be specialists. So those people, my target, as I said in the written, the teachers who are teaching in their classroom. They are teachers. They would like to develop. They would like to grow. They would like to contribute to their professional development. Or they are students who are researchers, who would like to understand issues that are happening in classroom situations. Those people, there is something dedicated for them. They are going to learn. In the days to come, they are going to learn how to, for example, if the person is a teacher, he or she is going to understand, will learn, will know how to use or how to cope with issues that are happening. And through these lessons, we're going to make practice by using real materials coming from myself. For example, if the lesson is targeting the student who are writing their thesis, we're going to analyze chapters by chapters. We're going to start the introduction up to the conclusion by using research that I conduct myself, that I am the one who investigated. So I'm not going to use research from others. I'm going to use real experience, what I experience I myself. So I'm going to bring them the experience that I, so they're going to get inspiration from my experiences. For the teachers, as I have been teaching for more than 10 years, so I know what is really happening in classroom situation. I have come across many types of students, the problem that they make, the differences that are between those students. So I know how to deal with many students. So for the teachers, there are practices that are going to make. As I stated in the written version, I told them that they're going to understand how to cope with issues related to the student problem. So I said that we're going to focus especially a type of professional development that is using across the globe, that is called lesson study. So we're going to focus on lesson study. After that, we can come and talk about what we call action research. That the teacher, they discover gaps, they discover issues, challenges with the student learning, then they investigate to understand and come up with solutions that are going to help those students to learn, to understand what is really happening. So throughout the channel, or the videos that are going to come on the channel, people are going to learn all this stuff. Yeah, investigation is what we're going to do to help you teachers to understand your learners, to help them become learners. I did this. I decided to do that because I myself, I investigate issues that are happening in classroom situation. My research, my specialty was in language education. So while doing it, I specialized, or I worked on lesson study, and I am continuing working on lesson study. So lesson study could help the learners, to the teachers themselves, to find gaps and fill those gaps, and the education is going to be a quality one. So this is the reason why I launched this channel, to help the two groups. I mean the broader one and the specific one. Yeah. So in the days to come, the lessons are going to come step by step. Each group is going to be helped. Each group is going to be helped. Okay. So this is the introduction that you like to, the introductory video that you like to the channel. Please like, share, like, share, and don't forget to hit the button. Understand? So bye bye, see you next time.